The demands of WFI generation are changing. Modern systems must be more efficient to contribute to a sustainable world. But change doesn't have to be complicated. This is why we designed the MECO MPAK, a next-generation reverse osmosis water for injection system built for pharmaceutical manufacturing. Compact, customizable, and exceptionally reliable. The MECO MPAK is the result of decades of industry expertise and feedback. Every touchpoint is designed with operators in mind. Accessible sample stations, intuitive controls, and integrated sanitation built directly into the skid. The MECO MPAK is manufactured and tested in-house. Delivered as a complete skidded system, it saves space without sacrificing usability and streamlines installation. With a design informed by a century of experience and the industry's most trusted service network behind it, you can rely on the MECO MPAK to deliver compliant WFI day after day. The MECO MPAK is the future of water for injection. Sustainable, efficient, and effortless. Because when every drop matters, we deliver the water that powers breakthroughs.